50% tariffs on Canadian goods live as of today. A federal judge calling Marco Rubio's 75-country visa freeze Orwellian and throwing it out, and the Postal Service quietly rewriting the rules for your mail-in ballot. That's the day in one place. Stay to the end. 50%. That is the tariff the United States just imposed on Canadian goods, and it is in effect now after trade talks between the two countries collapsed. A tariff is a tax collected at the border on imports, so the immediate bill lands on the American companies bringing Canadian products in. The open question is how much of that they absorb and how much they pass to you at the register. At 50%, that is not a rounding error. It is a price shock on anything sourced from Canada. President Donald Trump has made tariffs the core of his trade policy. What is next? Whether Ottawa retaliates, and whether the talks that just broke down restart. Reported by PBS. A federal judge just called a policy from President Donald Trump's administration Orwellian and then struck it down. Judge Jeannette Vargas ruled Friday that Secretary of State Marco Rubio lacked the legal authority to order a freeze on immigrant visas from 75 countries. She did not only void the policy going forward, she directed the government to revisit cases in which applicants were denied under that freeze, meaning people already rejected may get another look at their file. If you have family waiting on a visa from one of those countries or a business waiting on a hire, that is the difference between a closed door and a reopened case. The administration can appeal, and it has recently won immigration cases at the Supreme Court, reported by Fox News. The Postal Service just wrote new rules for how your mail-in ballot gets handled, and it did it after a court struck down the order behind it. USPS announced Friday new eligibility guidelines for mail-in ballots, complying with President Donald Trump's March executive order restricting the practice, even though a federal court later struck that order down. The details sit in a 95-page report that has not been published yet. The official release is set for August 26th, and it lays out how the Postal Service would distribute ballots for November's midterms. That timing is the whole story, because these rules would govern the next federal election. Expect another courtroom fight before ballots go out. Reported by The Hill. That was the day in one place. Tariffs, visas, and your ballot. A fresh collection drops tomorrow. Which one hits your wallet hardest? Tell me below, and if this saved you an hour of scrolling, like and subscribe.